Right, so hello ladies. Here's the gorgeous ladies. Everyone, welcome to Tisma Agro Limited. Today we're cleaning the house, one of the house. Alright. So like I said before in the previous videos, pre and post. Pre is that there are a lot of things that's gone on that I'm on about the cleanliness of the place, which is completely appalling. So yesterday I was actually standing outside having a chat with my interim manager, and then I had a stunk, really bad one. And what happened? It turns out that it was the manure in one of the coop that has not been changed for God knows how long. Now look at this. Look at that. That is a cake. All right. So today we've decided to clean the whole place, change their bedding. Boy, it stings. I mean, I can't put on the mask because I'm talking whilst doing this video. But look at the lads. They're all wearing bloody mask, like I see the days of coronavirus. But look at the state of it. Look at the state of it. Can somebody guess how long this has not been changed? We'll talk about it. But if you allow the sawdust to turn into this kind of crazy manure and you don't change it, like I said, it's going to cause diseases like CRD, which is Chronic Respiratory Disease, which even human beings do get it, and it's not good for the environment, it's not good for them, it's not good for anyone. Abraham is trying to scoop it as if they are not cake, but they are really bad. The birds have been enduring that, and therefore I said no. Today, and that's where they lay their eggs and all of that. We will go through all of that, but look at these beautiful ladies. Their bedding is absolutely shambolic. And it's because the guy in charge, or the management in charge, whatever is in charge, doesn't see the need to change these the bedding, which is the sawdust. The purpose of having a semi-intensive or a bound system is that they have a sawdust so that the birds can play in the sawdust or bathe in it. It gives them freedom. They're not restricted. It makes them happy and blah blah blah. But if you have sawdust that's turned into a cake, God knows what description is that. Months and months and months has not been changed. Production has gone down. Some of the birds are not happy. So what do? It's appalling. And look at the state. Look at the one Orlando is taking out. By the way, Orlando is our new guy that's just joined the company. He's working like he's already been here. He's a hard worker. And look at the state of it. So we're taking this out, and what we're going to do, we're going to clean everything out and put a clean bedding, i.e. a new sawdust. And I'll let you know, and I'll show you. But farmers, poultry farmers out there, I just want to say, don't leave your sawdust or your manure to be so toxic like this, because it's only going to cause diseases. All right? This is why a lot of people spend a lot of money buying what you call medications, vitamins, and all these preventive measures and all of that. Look at that. He just flew onto that. They love to peg around and, look at that. Hello, baby. Look at you. Healthy looking, and if we don't take care of you, you're going to turn nasty. And if you look here, these are some of the bags of the remains that we collected and to be disposed of correctly. There's a farm here that they want it, and so this is it, guys. I'm showing you this because if you have a farm and your manure or your sawdust is like this, bloody hell, you need to change it because you're only going to end up killing the birds. Imagine sleeping on the bed. You've never changed the bed sheet for 6 or 8 months. Christ, that is a disease to happen. You're going to end up with a bit of a lice in your hair, a bit of nose block, a bit of body itch. God knows, you're simply a dirty bastard. Anyway, I'm not calling these blocks dirty bastard, but whoever allowed this to happen, blimey. We'll be back. Just to say that you need to keep the house clean. All right? We've not done any work out here because this is starting. After that, we're going to make sure the walls and everything, all the dust and everything is all clean. People say they're only chickens. No, they're not. They have sense. They have eyes. They can breathe. They can hear. Blah, 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 and blah, and blah. We'll be back.